Dollar Tree. Here in the $3 to $5 aisle, I see Christmas. First up are some Christmas stockings. These are vertical lined. They're textured. They're really soft. The red, the gray, the green, and the cream color. They put out a couple toys at $5 price point. Perfect if you need toys for your little ones and you're trying to save you some money. You might want to stop at your local Dollar Tree. They do have faux garland out. Is the poinsettia, as well as door hangers. I did see these here last year. These are perfect if you want to add your own touch. Do a little DIY or as is for $5. They have it in red. Couple wreaths for the season, as well as the vertical signs. Of course, Santa's making his appearance, as well as the welcome sign with the traditional red and green outlined on them. Those are $5. Perfect for an entryway for in or outdoor. More of the metal signs that you can stick in your front lawns with the Santa on them as well. Here's a traditional plaid. A couple to choose from, as well as Christmas aprons. 'Tis the season to begin baking all of your sweet treats for the winter. Ornaments. These are beautifully textured and decorated. I do like these. They're only $5. Gold and the reds and the traditional greens. Your Christmas storage box. Magnetic hold on these storage or gift boxes strong. Big bowls for your gifts, cards, and silicone mittens. Couple different varieties to choose from. $5 isn't bad for the silicone mitten. It feels pretty durable, and the cards are nice in here too. Anybody still send out traditional holiday cards by mail? Let me know in the comments. Some more hangers. I do like this one. You can never go wrong with traditional plaid with a simple joy in Noel. They had these last year. They brought those back, the foiled wreaths, and here are some more ornaments. These have a little more in them. You get a little more bang for your buck, but they're not as textured as the ones we shown before. Holiday trays, perfect. I would use these for charcuterie boards. I'm going to show you the different varieties. What will you use trays for? Maybe a centerpiece, put candles on it. And they're really sturdy. And this one I do like, candy cane theme. I'm so happy to see Christmas items here in Dollar Tree. You know they're going to put more and more out each day, I'm sure. Here are some tree skirts, $5. Why pay $40, $49, $50 when you can get one for $5 at Dollar Tree? Different colors. This is like a burlap, that cream and that camel color. Really nice. Who's going to know? Who's going to know it's $5? I do like the little decor pieces, the decorative present. I'm going to set this up here so that you can all gauge the size. But this is nice. I'm sure you could probably make that too. I know there's a lot of DIYers out there. If you like inflatables, they have the penguins, snowmen, Santa Claus, only $5. And they're 4 feet tall. More wreaths down here. Now the wreaths, these weren't really as full as I was hoping. I mean, of course you could add more to it, but not worth the buy to me. A DIY would be much better. Look at Santa. Those are nice. Nice price point. Your calendar counters. Countdown to Christmas. Look at that snowman. Yeah, I just love snowmen. They're just so cute. And you can decorate with them all winter long, right? As long as it's cold out. Throws for $5. These feel really nice. Good quality. I like the prints on them, nice and thick. If you live in a cold state, you can throw a couple of those in the back seat of your car. You know, put them in an emergency kit. Put them in your kids' room. Take them to work with you if you work in a cold environment, or use them as throws at home. Some candle and fragrance warmers. I love the lantern. That's cute. It's a faux LED light in there. Mini fireplaces, and they have the brush Christmas trees. So they're starting to put some things out. Look at the mini beverage dispenser, the Christmas trees for $5. some more decor down here. The nutcrackers in different colors, those can also be spray painted. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we found. A couple garland strings. This is what we have so far. More snowmen and some of the reindeer decor. But thank you for being here. I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you like anything. Let me know if your store had anything different. If you're in need of a doormat, they have them here, $5. Look at me trying to show you all the other prints with one hand. But look at the definition and the bright and vibrant colors. Very nice. Many fireplaces and then some lights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.